Hi, my name is Stormie Rackley, and I work under the research of Dr. Mall. And for our research, we're comparing tillage and planting dates and how that affects corn grain yield in South Georgia. So for our research, we did strip till and bedded for our tillage methods, and then for our planting dates, we did 3 different planting dates. We did an early, a middle, and a late planting date. And our planting dates are down here. They're March 15th, April 2nd, and then April 19th. And from our research, we took biweekly measurements of our corn, and so we did plant height, development stage, and leaf greenness all the way through tasseling. And for our harvesting, we took samples from each of our plots, and from each of those plots, we took 3 ears, which were randomly selected, and from those, we measured the ear length, the number of kernels per row, and then the number of kernels per ear. And from those, we hand harvested those, and we took the 100 seed weight, the grain moisture percentage, and then the total grain weight. And from that, we worked our numbers, and we found that the strip till seemed to yield a lot better over our bedded. And then from our planting dates, we found that the third planting date yielded a lot higher than our first two. And some of the issues that we faced from this, we had issues with getting proper irrigation for our corn, and then we also faced a time of drought during our reproductive stages of the growth. And so our higher seeding rates seemed to require more irrigation than our lower seeding rates, and this was for the number of seeds per acre. And from this, we found that the yields were severely depressed by the intense early rainfall that we had and our cool temperatures, and then from our irregular irrigation methods. And so we found that the moderate seeding rates used in the study resulted in a greater yield in the strip till over the bedded. And some of the things that we're going to work on for our next growing season are monitoring our weather patterns more and working to get a better irrigation scheduling set up.